huge lot sizes,
impressive tree canopy,
and classic curb appeal. Man, they certainly don't make them like they used to.
But the good news is our newest listing is located in the heart of Old Sunnydale, which means you get all that and a whole lot more, all on today's episode. All right, Adam, there is nothing like a stroll through Old Sunnydale.
No, there really isn't, Scotty. This is familiar territory for us. I'm just gonna come right out and say it. Sunnydale is my most favorite neighborhood in all of Barrie, and I'll explain to you exactly why. I think it's because it's a throwback to times past, right? You just don't get this stuff anymore, and that's because the economics of real estate don't allow for it. Cities want more density, developers want to make more money, which means that you just don't get stuff like this anymore. I'm talking about these terrific lot sizes, the incredible maturity of trees here in the canopy, and of course with Sunnydale, we have to be talking about what the true draw to the area is. It's Sunnydale Park, most incredible green space. You have acres upon acres. You have parks for the kids, hiking, biking, and walking trails, an incredible arboretum as well. When it comes to parks in the city of Barrie, that's really the crown jewel, but it's also about the location here and the convenience. You have easy access to Highway 400, so for those commuters out there, this is absolutely perfect. And then as far as shopping and restaurants go, you have everything in the north end of Barrie, Rio Can Center, all of the restaurants and the shopping that surrounds that as well. It doesn't get much better.
Well, the only thing that rivals the neighborhood we're standing in here is the quality of construction of the homes throughout this area. Now, you've got unique curb appeals on each and every one of them, and the one we're standing in front of today is no exception. It's a classic red brick 4-level side split. Again, you just don't see homes built like this anymore. The quality of construction is evident throughout each and every level of this home. They have beautifully threaded the needle between old world charm and lots of modern finishes that you've come to know and love. We're flowing over 2,000 square feet here. We've got 5 bedrooms, 2 beautiful bathrooms. Enough talking about it, let's go inside and show you.
As Scott mentioned outside, this home perfectly blends modern finishes and functionality with classic charm, and you actually notice that before you even get in the front door. That's because there's been an addition put on the front which functions beautifully as a mudroom. So for all you families out there, you're going to absolutely love that, not having to track those muddy boots through the house. Now here we are up on the first level here, and this space is absolutely terrific. You have large principal rooms, including this beautiful family room that I'm in right now, flows into your dining room and around into your kitchen and out onto an incredible back deck that we're going to show you a little bit later. The beauty of this floor plan as well, if you did want to make updates and improvements, you could remove the wall between the kitchen and the living space, creating an open concept masterpiece.
Now the style of this home flows right up into the second level here. You've got the beautiful original hardwood floors that are in exceptional condition. They're amazingly contrasted with the black railing here. You're gonna absolutely love it. Up here we've got 3 great sized bedrooms, one currently used as a walk-in closet. For all you style enthusiasts out there, you're gonna love that. But if you want the 3rd bedroom back, very easy to convert, and of course it's all capped off with an updated 4-piece bath.
Now the thing I love about side splits is all of the additional square footage that you pick up on the 3rd level that's at grade. That's right, we're not in the basement yet. We still have another level to show you here, but on this 3rd level you pick up some important must-haves. I'm talking about this incredible rec room that you see in behind me here, the perfect spot to unwind with family and watch movies. It's bathed in natural light because you have oversized windows as well as a patio slider out into an incredible patio that we'll show you later. And on this level you have a spectacular updated 3-piece bathroom, heated floors, glass shower. It's absolutely incredible. And you pick up an important 4th bedroom or the home office. How good is that?
And here we are in the fourth and final level, and this space here is all about versatility. Whether you got the large family and you're looking for a fifth bedroom, this functions beautifully. You still have large above grade windows, even though we're on the fourth level. Or perhaps you're looking for a rec room, a home office. This one's gonna check all the boxes for you. This level's rounded out with some excellent storage space. Lots of updated mechanicals throughout the home, including windows. There's nothing to do here but move in and enjoy. Now we know with Old Sunnydale, it's all about the lot sizes, and today we've got a stunning 77 by 132 mature lot for you here. You simply do not find lots like this in the city of Barrie anymore, and this one is loaded with entertainment value. It starts right here on this beautiful oversized deck that's been completely refinished. You got gorgeous views of the beautiful mature trees in the backyard, lounging, dining, unwinding. This is the space you're gonna wanna do it all with perfect southern exposure.
If you're not a sun seeker, but you're looking for another spot to relax and unwind, this lower level patio, which is nicely shaded, could be the perfect spot for you. There's a walkout from the third level here, so access is excellent. And if you're looking for the spot to cook that perfect meal, this is the one to do it, but there's still so much to see and love about this backyard.
Man, this home keeps getting more impressive by the minute. Now, as we continue to explore this backyard, it's all about the fine details, including tens of thousands of dollars in customized stonework, including the armor stone steps we're walking down now. In addition to that, the deck has been completely customized underneath for a ton of additional storage, and all these beautiful perennial gardens that surround the property all have irrigation lines that run through them. Less time maintaining the property, more time enjoying it.
That's right, Scotty. It doesn't get much better when it comes to the details in the backyard here, except for the amount of space that we have here, whether it's the four-legged friends or the kids. You have so much tableland with this lot size. It's absolutely incredible. Now, we are the Knowles Woolsey team, and we know Sunnydale. For more information on this listing and others, check out our website.